Welcome back to my channel. I hope you find value in this video. So today I'll be unboxing my AliExpress order. I got it sometime last month during their 10 to 15 sales, and I picked up this primer. I think it was about $1 or so then. And I tell you, considering the size of item you get on AliExpress, this is a huge deal. This is 15 mil. Like most of their footage, they are always 6 mil, 7 mil, 8 mil, all those things. But this one is actually 15 mil. Though I found it has this little smell. Not really bad if you work with monomer, so just in case you want to get it, you should be conscious about that. But it's something you can give a pass. It's not a harsh. Also, I got these nail tips, and I tell you, these are amazing. They're already pre-shaped and also buffed, so you just slap it on, paint your nails, you're good to go. And I got this one in medium. I think I got short cuffing medium. They have short cuffing short. I think that's the size of the fingers. It all depends on your nails. So I also got this poly gel, and I tell you, this is worth every penny. I got this for about $3, including shipping. And I tell you, considering the amount of a poly gel here in Nigeria, this is a steal. I tell you, 4 poly gels for $3. I can't wait for the next sales. Well, I'm all for sales, so I swatched them, and they are the colors are pretty. They are this natural nude colors that you can put on every day for work, and just switch up your style. And I'm so impressed with the quality. I did test it on my brother when I opened it, and I tell you, I am impressed. For $3, I'll be shopping there again. I'm definitely getting some more because, girl, we need to save and still slay our nails. So you can check out Lily Cute, and the products are so nice. They are so nice. That's me swatching it. As you can see, the colors are beautiful. So I got this nail cutters, and I tell you, I am so excited. I know you can see how excited I am there. I am so excited that I got them. Literally, I used scissors to cut my tips, and the thing just everywhere. I got this nail polish. They are really small, I must tell you. I told you everything in AliExpress. Most of this nail polish in AliExpress, they are usually 6 mil, 7 mil, 8 mil, and they are usually small. But I did use this one, and it was pigmented. They have two types of polish. I think there's one that the bottle is like this, and there's one that the bottle is some other way, like dark and that. So I think those ones are the jelly ones, because these ones are actually pigmented, and I did get a fair usage from. I am so impressed. So what's a nail haul without a nail lamp? Come on. And to think I got it with my bonus, my first time user bonus, I think it was 66 cents or so. I am so impressed, and thank you for staying till this point. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment down below. You can tell me what next you want to see, and be sure that I will be dropping such videos for you. Till next time. Bye.